Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Honda Super Cub 50. It's a square headlamp one, 4-speed with electric start, so very unusual over here in Ireland. This one is exceptionally good condition with only 2,000 kilometers on the clock, as you'll see as we walk around her. Disregard the muck here, but the front tyre is perfect. Front mudguard, really nice blue colour. Front carrier here is really good condition. The front headlamp assembly is good, as well as the integrated indicators, I should say. Leg shields are in really nice condition. Has a stabilizer on it as well for the front, which I'll talk more about in the drive along video. Sorry. Engine area is okay. Some little signs of age on it. Kickstart and then the electric start is up here. Sorry about the wind. Exhaust is in really nice condition. Little sign of rusting on the actual exhaust guard. That's major. Side panels are good. Stickers underneath here good. A little bit of surface rusting at the top here. Nothing too major. Underneath the seat is very good. Little signs of the rust here and here. Rear carrier is in nice condition. Indicators the rear good. 2000 bike. Again, some spotting on the train guard here and rust wise. Rear tyre is pretty much brand new. Alloy at the rear is very good too. There's little age related signs here. There's a side panel and the sticker in good condition on this side. Seat has no rips or tears in it either. Some aging on the left hand side of the engine area. Moving up to the top then, you'll see that 2,032 kilometers, only around 1,000 miles, a bit less or a bit more even. Original mirrors as well, which is nice to see. Choke and horn and a high beam logo in here. So that's it really for the visual analysis. We'll now move on to the ride along video.
Alright, we're away on the 2000 Honda C50 4-speed with electric start and square headlamp with integrated indicators and the noises for the indicators. You can hear it, little beeps. We're doing the short one again, little short runaway around the estate of Retro Bikes Dublin. And we'll just pull out here now. This will be the last bike of the day for me before it gets dark. As you can see, the kind of clouds are coming in. It gets too dark to film then. But yeah, no, she's absolutely beautiful. Only 2,000 kilometers on the clock, so pretty much brand new. Running really nicely. I'll go through all the gears, probably on the way down rather than up here. The second, third, and we'll test the brakes when we get up the hill as well. This one has the stabilizer at the front, as well as I might be talking about in the visual analysis, which will show you up here what that does when you start braking. Sorry, we got up to 50 kilometers an hour there on the speed test there. Look, when you start braking at the front, you don't have the diving. So a lot of these the C50s, their front suspension, the diving, you dove straight forwards in when you started doing heavy braking at the front. But this one, that doesn't happen now because of the stabilizer there. So that's very nice, because it can be a bit confidence decking compared to having this like this now. So we're going up to 60 kilometers an hour here in 4th gear. So this is what it gets you. So if you're coming along the N11 or a dual carriageway of some sort, you're able to get up to that 60-65 kilometers an hour, keep up with traffic, stay in the inside lane, keep up with the speed limit, compared to what a normal C50 would, which is kind of tops out at 50. So the extra gear gives you another 5 to 10 kilometers an hour, which is nice to have. Again, I'm just going to pull in here on the left, show you how she's sitting. I was thinking of doing a video of how to ride a Cub, because there is some little things to it, you know, revving when you're coming down so you don't unsettle the bike. But I'll show you now what she looks like when she's sitting. the lights on and so on. There she is. She looks really nice on the road. Really, really clean. And I'll show you with the indicators on. There she is, the indicators on. And I'll do the other side as well, and we go to the back. And there's the rear. Okay, so I might just shut her off because I don't think I showed you at the start. But I'll shut her off and show you the electric start. So there it is, that's the electric start. That's how it works, like any other bike. Very easy. But that's really it for the video. If it has helped you in your buying decision, please do leave a like. Whether you're going to buy it or you're not going to buy it, please like, it really helps the video. Also, if you could comment down below on any questions or anything I didn't answer in this video, that would be absolutely fantastic. And finally, we're nearly at 600 subscribers on Retro Bikes Dublin, so if you could subscribe, that would be greatly appreciated.